Okay? So, good day class. So, for our first example of our topic, slope deflection method. So, ito yung natin, given. Okay? So, just remind you, galing ito sa sa book ni R.C. Hibbeler. Okay? 7th edition ng structural analysis. Okay? So, ito. Okay, so meron siyang span, dalawang span, ABC, and then yung both ends niya are fixed. And then yung sa gitna niya is, according to the question dito sa libro, is ruler. And then we have the following loads: 2 kip per foot and 30K. Okay? Distributed load yung 2K per foot, and then yung 30K is obviously point load. Okay? And then given din yung moment of inertia niya, nasa cross-sectional area niya. Sa span AB, we have a moment of inertia of 900 inch to the fourth. And then we have a moment of inertia 1,200 inch to the fourth sa BC. So we have 24 feet and 16 feet respectively. Okay? So yung unang gagawin natin, just sa lesson natin, okay? So as I have discussed dun sa mga videos natin, lecture videos, yung una nating computin is yung fixed end moments niya, okay? So we have dito sa span AB, since distributed siya, so ito yung formula ng fixed end moments niya. Negative WL squared sa left and positive WL squared sa right. So to make the long story short, meron kang W or distributed load, which is equivalent to 2K over feet, and then we have length or length of span AB, which is 24. So ilagay natin dyan. So ang makompute natin is 96 kip foot. And then dun sa fixed end moments at BA, we have 96 kip foot. Okay? Yung sign lang yung nag-iba. And then dito, so sa second span BC, we have 30K acting at the center of the span BC, in which 8 feet and 8 bits sa magkamila. Okay? So meron actually yung sinulat ko doon sa lecture natin is pag ganito, pwede natin gamitin yung PAB squared over L squared, negative sa left, FEM sa left, and yung FEM sa right is PA squared B over L squared. Pero since nasa gitna siya, pwede nating i-apply yung special case ng computation niya, which is PL, negative PL over 8 and positive PL over 8. Okay? So, applicable lang to kapag nasa gitna yung point load. Okay? In which the P is the applied point load. So, yung applied point load natin is 30. Okay? Nilagay natin dito sa mga formulas. Negative PL over 8 and positive PL over 8. So, we could have computed negative 60 kip foot and 60 kip foot. Then, after that, after nating makuha ang fixed end moments, ilagay na natin siya sa slope deflection equation. So, yung slope deflection equations natin is ito. Okay? Naalala nyo pa ba? So, since meron tayong values ng inertia at ng length, so yun yung computein muna natin si 2EI over L. Okay? Para dire-diretso na tayo sa formula, okay? So, meron tayong constant na E, which is 29 times 10 to the third kip per inch squared. So, i-apply natin siya dito, class, okay? So, 2 times E times IAB, which is 900 inch to the fourth, and then 2EIBC, yung I natin is 1,200 inch to the fourth, then yung AB and LBC are 24 and 16 feet respectively. And then naglagay ako ng 1 feet over 12 inch to the power of 2, okay? Quantity to the power of 2. Nang sa ganun is ma-convert yung inch into foot, okay? So yan yung na-compute natin 2EI over L. Okay? Nang sa ganun, madali na lang i-substitute sa formula na to. Okay? So, do you remember the formula? So, doon sa lecture is, nauna kong isulat ito. Okay? Anyway, pwede naman tong baliktarin, ilagay mo dito. Okay? So, okay, so yan yung sinulat ko, yan yung formula. So, we substitute 15K, 15,104.167. Lagay mo dyan. Okay? So, but since, okay, meron pa dito, since fixed yung magkabilang panig, so therefore, your angle at those supports, which are A and C respectively, is equal to 0. And since there is no initial deflection or initial settlement, so therefore, kasi hindi given dun sa picture, so therefore, yung psi natin, yung value ng psi is 0. Okay? So, ilagay natin, i-plug in lang natin dito sa formula. Okay? MAB is equal to 2EIAB over LAB times 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 psi plus E fixed end moment at AB. Okay? Substitute the values. 15,104 yung 2EI over L natin. Times natin sa 0 plus theta B. Since hindi maaring ma-0 si theta B kasi minus 0. Okay? 0. This is 0 and this is 0. Kaya 0 dyan. Okay? Plus negative 96. So this is your formula. Okay? For MAB, which is equivalent to 15,104.167 theta B minus 96. So, meron na tayong unang formula ni MAB. Yan. MAB is equivalent to this value. Okay? Okay? Hindi pa natin yung alam yung value ni theta B. So, next is buuin naman natin si MBA, MBC, and MCB respectively. Okay? Ganon lang din. Okay? Same. So, okay. Ganyan yung paggagawa. MBA. Okay. MBA is equal to 2EI AB over LAB. So, since si theta A and psi is 0, kaya 0 yan. And yung FMBA natin is 96. Okay. So, nakuha natin na si MBA is 30,208.334 theta B. Same yung ginamit natin kay MBC. Yan Here, okay, substitute the values and the value of 2EI over L and then the corresponding fixed end moments at BC, which is negative 60. Kaya, ito yung nakuha mo. MBC is equivalent to 60,416.666 theta B minus 60. And then, ganun din kay MCB. Yan. Okay, yung fixed end moments na na-compute natin kanina is 60. Then si theta C, kasi fixed siya, 0. Yung psi natin is 0 din. Okay. So, na-compute na natin. Yan yung formula ni MCB. 30,208.333 theta B plus 60. Okay. So, after ni fixed end moments and then slope, na-construct na natin yung slope deflection equations. So, dito naman tayo sa equilibrium equations. Since may interior beam siya, yan may interior support pala siya, yan, okay, i-review natin yung picture. Okay, so, therefore, dapat yung sum ng moment dito sa gitna is equivalent to 0. So, therefore, yung mga moments natin, which is MBA plus MBC, yun yung mga moments na nag-a-act sa B. Kung i-add mo sila, dapat mag-equate siya kay 0. Okay? To make the long story short, okay? Okay? Sinubstitute natin to sa value ni MBA at sa value ni MBC respectively. Then, in-add natin, in-equate natin sa kay 0. Okay? Then, we have computed theta B as this value. Okay? Negative 0.000397241. Actually, kung sa calculator to, 3.97241 times 10 to the negative 4 ang sagot nito. Okay? And then again, pagkatapos niyan, makuha natin yung theta b, pwede na nating i-substitute doon sa slope deflection equation. So, we all know that the slope deflection equations at MAB is ganito. So, i-substitute natin. Yan. Ang value ni theta b. So, okay. Ganon din kay MBA, MBC, at MCB. So, nakuha na natin yung value niya. Negative 102 keep foot kay MAB, 84 keep foot kay MBA, and then negative 84 keep foot kay MBC, and 48 keep foot naman kay MCB. So, okay, nakuha na natin yung mga moments. Okay. Moments AB, BA, BC, and CB respectively. So, pwede nating magamit to para makompute yung mga reactions. Okay? So, ito. So, ito yung ginawa natin. Okay? So, kapag negative, clockwise. Kapag positive, kapag negative, counterclockwise. Kapag positive, clockwise. Okay? So, since negative 102, MAB is negative 102, clockwise siya. And then, since MBA is positive 84, clockwise 84 siya. Okay? Kung sa kabila naman, negative 84 si BC at si MCB is 48. So, ganun yung forma niya. Okay? So, hinati natin sa dalawang portion or dalawang span. Okay? So, portion yung nalagay ko dito, pero pwede nyo sabihin span AB. And then, I apply equilibrium equation. Okay? Sum up moments at A sa moment vertical at horizontal. So, nakuha natin yung mga reactions. O, yan, yung mga reactions. Okay? But since i-add natin yung si RB1 at si RB2, kasi may dalawang reaction, so mag-a-add tong dalawang to. Okay? O, yan. So, okay. So, tingnan nyo na lang. Okay? So, di ko na siguro kailangan i-explain pa. So, ganun yung pagkasolve niya. Okay? Iniba, hinati ko sa dalawang span. Kasi dalawang span siya dalawang span siya, so kaya hinati ko siya sa dalawang portion. So, sa bawat portion is may dalawang, sides. Okay? AB and BC. Okay? Some moments at A. Okay, nakuha ko RB1 is 23.25. RA is 24.75. And then, kay BC, nakuha natin RB2 is 17.25. And then, RC is 12.75. So, i-add natin si RB1 at saka si RB2 para makuha si RB. Kaya, si RB is 40.5 kN. And then again, pagkatapos nyan, pwede na nating i-draw si shear and moment diagram. So, ayan si shear and moment diagram natin. Okay? So, I hope naalala nyo pa kung paano iguhit. Okay? So, yan. So, yan. Ito si shear diagram. And then, si MD is moment diagram. Okay? So, sana ma-review nyo yung mechanics of deformable bodies nyo, no? Dito, doon yata na subject yan na discuss. Okay? Yan. So, if you want to review, meron din ako dito sa natin. Okay? Magpo-post din ako tungkol sa how to construct shear and moment diagram. So, assuming na alam nyo na kung paano i-construct yun, so ito na yung sagot. Okay? So, dapat yung both ends niya is naging 0, okay? Mag-end up siya talaga mag-start talaga siya sa 0 and mag-end up at 0 in both shear and moment diagram, okay? So, yan. So, this is our first example. So, i-review natin mula sa simula. So, ito yung mga naging natin. Step natin. Una, fixed end moments. Ito yung computed na fixed end moments natin. And then, pinorma natin si slope deflection equations. Okay? Inuna natin si okay? Yan, oh. And then, yan. Yan, okay. So, yan. Pagkatapos nating naporma yung slope deflection equation, so, nagkaroon tayo ng equilibrium equations at interior support. In which kasi, ruler siya, so, dapat mag-equate siya sa 0. So, nakuha natin si theta b, and then, na-compute na natin yung mga moments. And after that, na-compute na rin natin yung mga reactions kasi dinivide natin sa dalawang span, depend yung original beam natin. Yan. So, nakuha natin yung mga reactions. Then, after that, naporma na natin yung shear and moment diagram. Okay? Sana nakasunod kayo. So, dahil video to, pwede nyo tong i-post anytime. Nang sa ganun is mas malinawan kayo kung paano na nakuha natin yung mga sagot. Okay? So, this is how to compute an indeterminate beam using slope deflection equations. Okay? This is example number 1.